This new AI cloud computer is insane. Imagine going to bed tonight and waking up to find your AI built something for you while you slept. No code, no servers, no babysitting. Sounds fake, right? It's not, and it just launched. Here's the catch. Most people are about to use it the wrong way and miss everything that makes it powerful. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their work. I'm going to show you exactly what this new tool is, the 5 things it can do that nothing else can, and the mistakes to avoid before you even open it. Let's get into it. Quick question first. Have you ever used an AI tool, closed your laptop, and watched all your work just disappear? That's been the biggest problem with AI for years. Every chat starts from zero. Nothing keeps running. Nothing remembers what you did. New tool just fixed that. It's called the Cloud Computer for Manus. Before I tell you what it does, let me explain what Manus is, because the two work together. Manus is an AI agent, not a chatbot. Difference. A chatbot answers your questions. An agent actually does the work for you. You give it a goal, like build me a website or research this topic, and it goes off and does it. Step by step. Real browser, real tools, real code, all by itself. Manus is also part of Meta now, which means serious backing. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Cloud Computer is a brand new feature inside Manus, and it changes the whole game. Picture your laptop. The files stay where you put them. Apps stay installed. You can leave a project running and come back to it tomorrow. That's what the Cloud Computer is, except it lives in the cloud, not on your machine. So when you ask Manus to build something, it doesn't just do it once and disappear. It keeps the files, keeps the tools, keeps the project alive. Even when your laptop is shut, even on a flight, even on the other side of the world, you can access it from web or mobile. You can check on your projects from your phone while you're out, and you don't need to touch a single line of code. That's the angle that's blowing my mind. Real always-on AI work available to anyone. So what can you actually build with it? Let me show you the 5 biggest things, and I'll save the most slept-on one for last. Number 1. Bots that never sleep. You can build a bot for Slack, Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, any of those, and it just keeps running 24/7. Bot that helps customers while you're asleep. A bot that summarizes news for your team every morning. Bot that catches new leads and sorts them. 4. You needed a developer. Now you just describe what you want. Manus builds it. The Cloud Computer keeps it alive. Number 2. Real database that actually grows over time. This one is huge. The file system on the Cloud Computer is shared across all your tasks, so you're not starting fresh every time. You can build a database of your weekly sales data. Every Friday you upload the new file and Manus updates it for you. Then it pulls a trend report from all the history you've ever saved. Build your own personal knowledge base. Every article, every note, every research piece all stored in one place. And Manus can search it whenever you need it. This is the kind of thing that used to take weeks of setup. Now it's a single prompt. Number 3 is one I think most people are going to underestimate. Source tools. Set up for you automatically. Hold that thought, because before I get into this, I want to share something important. With tools like this dropping all the time, it's easy to feel completely lost. So many options, so many updates every week, so many people saying their workflow is the best. That's why I built a community called AI Profit Boardroom. It's a place where people share what's actually working with AI. Real workflows, real use cases, real feedback on what's worth your time and what's not. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Okay, back to open source tools. There are tons of incredible free tools out there. WordPress for blogs, Metabase for dashboards, Home Assistant for smart homes, Plausible for website tracking. The problem? Setting them up is brutal. Terminals, configuration files, server stuff. Most people give up before they even start. The Cloud Computer takes all of that off your plate. You can literally say, set up Home Assistant for me, give me the link, I want to control my smart home from anywhere. Manus does it, installs it, figures it, hands you the link,